So the idea for this drawing birds and whales has to do with two animal lives that I would like to live. Birds is easy. I've drawn birds many times, but whales is a little bit different. Never seen a whale other than in the aquarium in Chicago. But I do have this book. It's an illustration book that I've looked at ever since I was a little boy. As a matter of fact, I have a number of these books, and I've made many drawings from these books on white lined notebook paper. I have them in a file folder, and I've looked at them recently. It's been about 45 years or so since I've actually drawn these images, and I thought, well, try again. So the bird world is on the top, and the whale world is below, with the text right in the middle. Basically, a land seascape composition. Birds and whales are mysterious to me. They both have such a long history. The extreme size difference between birds and whales interests me. With birds I can fly, with whales I can swim underwater for a long, long time. Birds and whales.